In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can recreate these masterpiece thumbnails being used by these big YouTubers. These are thumbnails that have been tried and tested, and it has really worked for some of these big YouTubers, and it can also work for you even though you're a small creator or you are just starting up. So I'm going to be showing you how you can recreate these thumbnails and use it for your videos. And you don't need any fancy editing equipment. All you need is to just type in the prompt and this AI is going to generate it for you. So if you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video. First of all, you will come to Google. This is where you're going to search for ChatGPT. Once you click on ChatGPT, it's going to bring up the site where you need to have an account first before you can start using ChatGPT. So the next thing which you want to do is to create an account. Once you have an account, it's very easy to be able to generate these prompts and be able to use this prompt to be able to create a more redefined thumbnails for your videos. So now one of the things which you want to do once you've logged in, this is all my search history which I've done. So once you've logged in, then the next thing what we're going to be doing is that we are going to get the prompt first to be able to create the thumbnail. Then and with that we can now be able to reuse this prompt for our own video depending on what we want to do. So now once you come to this place, the plus icon, that's where you're going to select the image in which you want to use. You can add your picture. The next thing which you want to do is to create the prompt which you can be able to use to extract the main prompt for the thumbnail. So we'll type create a prompt that was used to generate or create this thumbnail, and the thumbnail is the image in which we're going to be generating. And if you already have a sample of the design on your phone, you just need to readjust it. So what we're going to be doing is that after typing this prompt, the next thing which we want to do is to now select the image of that particular thumbnail, and I'm going to be showing you is just at the plus sign. Once you click the plus sign, this thumbnail is going to appear, and with that it's going to extract all the script or the prompt that was used to create this thumbnail. So the next thing we want to do is to click on the plus sign. Then we need to search for a sample of the particular thumbnail. Like we'll be using the Mr. Beast thumbnail, which is perfect for this example. And we have so many. You can do the same thing on any one's thumbnail which you want to use. This is Mr. Beast thumbnail. I've already written the prompts what we want this chat GPT to do for us to be able to create a prompt that was used to create this thumbnail. That is exactly what we are doing. So once we click it, then we type send, then it's going to generate the prompt. You can see the prompt is just at the down here. It's telling us a rugged man with short brown hair wearing a torn shirt. That is, and all this, that is what the prompt looks like for this thumbnail. So what we're going to be doing is that with this particular prompt, you can now key in this prompt or you copy it and put into these, and with this prompt you can now be able to use it to create any kind of thumbnails that look similar to this kind of Mr. Beast thumbnail. So what we want to do is to copy all this, and if you like you can do one or two adjustments, do editing. All we are doing is to just to be able to recreate this particular thumbnail to prove that anyone can be able to recreate these things. You don't need any image, any kind of thing to be able to do this. All you just need to do is to get the right prompt to be able to generate this thumbnail which looks like Mr. Beast thumbnail. So this is what we've done. We've been able to get the thumbnail, and it's asking us either we want it to be on a poster design, 3D animation style. I'll be choosing cartoon style because I want it to look different, not the same thing as the Mr. Beast. So I'm going to be selecting cartoon style for it to look like a cartoon, and it's going to also going to ask us how we want it to look like, either a vertical or horizontal way. So this is what the scripting which it has been able to generate for it to look like a cartoon way. So it's asking us if we want to convert it to square or vertical version for social media or short thumbnail too. So after creating, we're going to wait for it to generate this thumbnail for us to see how this thumbnail actually look like. And I'm also, before the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you another particular one in which I did the same thing. I just told ChatGPT to be able to extract the prompt that was used to create the same thumbnail, and it also recreated the same thing. So you can even add your own image on these particular thumbnails depending on what you want. This is the result of what we've been able to generate. You can see how it looks like. It looks just like the Mr. Big's thumbnail but on a cartoon form, and this is the script that was used to be able to generate this particular thumbnail. So I've been able to show you how you can be able to get these prompts to be able to use it to create a thumbnail, and it is all the same with any kind of image or any kind of thumbnail of these big YouTubers. You can decide to change the image in which you want to use, and ChatGPT is going to change the image because I've tried it before. I can decide to add my image and make it look like fierce battling with lion. So you can do the same thing on all of these thumbnails. Let's try one more. So I extracted the prompt for this particular thumbnail, and this is how it looks like, and I recreated it. This is how the old one looks like, most ruthless, and this is the new one, most ruthless man. So with this, you don't need to worry yourself about creating amazing thumbnails. This is all you just need to do. Use ChatGPT to create prompts for your thumbnails. So with this, you don't need to worry about any editing software. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share it, and turn on the notification. Subscribe to this channel. Have a blessed day.